Now that we've got one of our photos edited, let's go ahead and edit the other background photo, which is going to actually add to our scene here. And that one's going to be this one here. And actually what we can do is we can come over here and hit these little eyes here and turn off all of our other layers except the layer we're going to use. Let's go ahead and name this one, oops, let's not do that. There we go. Let's name this Apple Branch. And what we're going to do is let's pick our pick tool. Let's move this in the center here so I can see it. Hit Command Spacebar to get our zoom tool option. And as we can see here, we got a lot going on. And this tree looks kind of funky. It looks like he's got some bananas in here and some grapes and stuff. We don't want all this, nor the background fence and the house and stuff. But I do want the leaves, and I want this branch here, and I want this branch here, just for background purposes. I don't want this one. So what we can do is we can actually come through here and we can quick mask what we're going to keep here. This is another way of selecting the things that you want. So come over here, and what you're going to do is you're going to hit your quick mask button, which is this button here with the square and the circle inside of it. And then we're going to go into our brush tool, because that's the only way our quick mask button will work. Let's bring our brush size down a little bit, and what we're going to do is we're just going to come in here and we're just going to paint this selection here. Now this is going to take us a minute to do all this and to do the leaves, so we'll just go ahead and get in here and get this right. Let's go ahead and zoom in. Now I can release off of my tool and then come back to it and brush, because what we're doing is really just painting. Now when you get to the edges, if you want to, you can actually use a soft paint brush if you want to select your edges here. And what's going to happen is after we've selected what we want, we can come in here and hit our quick mask tool and release it. And as you can see, everything that I've painted now becomes a selection. But it's not really a selection. What it is an inverse selection. It's you might not be able to see this here, but I can see I have a bounding box all the way around the outside of my picture. So what I want to do is I want to hold down Command, Shift Command, and then hit I, which is going to inverse that selection and actually select everything in here. And what I would do is I would delete everything outside of the selection, or if I have my quick mask tool on, I could just leave it on and use my erase tool and erase everything that's outside or inside of this selection before I inverse it. So this is how we're going to select this out. Continue on with it, and I'm going to pause here, do what I need to do, and we'll come back in the next section.